Hey everyone, what's up? Have you ever noticed that we often use word very? Very happy, very bad, very good. And in this video we are gonna learn different words you can use instead of very. Let's start with very happy. Thrilled, elated, deliriously happy. Happy as a clam, totally over the moon, cloud on nine, overjoyed. Let's look at the examples. My boyfriend proposed me, so I'm totally over the moon. Or I've finished my project and I'm happy as a clam. Or she was overjoyed to see me. It means she was very happy to see me. There are so many better and more meaningful ways to say very sad. Look at these expressions. Disappointed, devastated, dejected, ashamed, and melancholy. Let's say he looks devastated because he lost his job. Or I wouldn't be disappointed if my friends Bob and Sarah will break up. Or she was dejected because she couldn't get on a plane. It means she was late at the airport and she missed the plane, so she's very sad and very upset. She is dejected. She is dejected. Stop saying very good. And I show you how you can replace this expression with others. Amazing, super, perfect, brilliant, awesome, pretty cool, so great, fantastic. If you want to say that's a good idea, you can say that's an amazing idea, that's a brilliant idea, or that's a fantastic idea. Please use these phrases and your speech will be more natural, like a native speaker. If you ask me about very bad, I also offer some synonyms. Let's go. Horrible, terrible, awful, atrocious, dreadful, disgusting. And if you are talking about someone's behavior and you want to say their behavior very badly, you can say their behavior was atrocious. Or for example, it's rain, it's cold, and the weather was atrocious. Actually, we often use the phrase very big, and trying to find another word express this phrase. For example, huge, enormous, massive, mega, gigantic. Well, what about very small? How we can replace this adjective with another? Let's say tiny, microscopic, minimal, miniature, or limited. For example, it releases millions of microscopic spores and that drift invisibly away. Or she wants to study in Harvard, but she's chance minimal. Okay guys, that's all for today, and I want to end up this class with great quote. It's up to you to see beauty in everyday things. See ya.